Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. Today, I'll be walking you through how you can delete your Amazon account permanently. If you don't want to use Amazon account anymore and you want to get rid of the account, then what you can do is simply follow the steps. Before getting started, if you are watching this video first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Click open a web browser in order to start deleting your Amazon account. In the search box, type in delete Amazon account permanently and you'll be able to see the search results displayed on the page. Click on the first search results that you see that says Amazon.com help close your account. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page. In order to close your account, click on this link that says close your Amazon account. And once you decide to close your Amazon account, all of the products and services associated with your account will be deleted as well, and you will have no longer access to them. Go through what it has to say first, and once you do that, scroll all the way down and give a reason for your account closure. Choose anyone from the drop down and click on yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data. Once you delete your Amazon account will be closed permanently, and later on if you decide to start ordering up from Amazon again, you'll need to create a new account for that. So once you're sure you want to delete your account, click on close my account at the bottom and a confirmation will be required in order to close your account for good. The confirmation email will be sent to your email address that is associated with your Amazon account. Simply go open the email. Let me show you by opening it. Now, soon after you do that, click open the email that you received and click on confirm account closure. Wait for a few seconds and your request to close your Amazon account has been confirmed and you have successfully closed your account for good. That is how you can easily delete your Amazon account permanently. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.